Hello friends, in this video of SEO course, today we will be learning about on-page SEO. Friends, so tell me, what is on-page SEO? And what are the benefits of applying on-page SEO? At the same time, I will explain you about the complete checklist of on-page SEO activities that an SEO professional should keep in mind while doing this. Friends, this tutorial is about informing about on-page SEO. And it will also explain about its activities. But that's not all that is covered in this SEO course. We will also explain you about all the activities, whether it is on page or off page. Along with this, we will teach you how to implement these activities practically. Before starting, let's first understand the concept of on-page SEO in detail. Then we will understand them practically. So let's move on. So first of all, let's understand what on-page SEO is. What is on-page SEO? So friends, on-page SEO. On-page SEO is also sometimes referred to as on-site SEO. Now, why is it called on-site SEO or on-page SEO? Suppose this is a website. Accordingly, on this website above it, whatever work that will be done. Okay. So all the work that will be done on this site, that is called on-page SEO, and we will understand it simply. In a simple way. Okay. So now the process that exists, the proper procedure that is there for the optimization of your own web pages. Therefore, that it can rank higher in various search engine platforms and get the most of the traffic. This is called on-page SEO. Because friends, this is what happens. There's an athlete runner and now he wants to run. So before running or before the proper training, before all of these things that are there, first he will be checked up, right? Are his legs okay? Are his hands okay? Is his heart okay? Is everything okay? Then only he'll win. Similarly, when there are several web pages in a single website, each and every one of the web pages until every single piece or its different parts which are important according to the algorithm of search engines. If it's not done right properly, then how can we expect to get good rankings just by having a good backlinks and off-page SEO? This is why SEO is very important for improving website rankings in the search engines. And additionally, to inform the Google platform that yes, these pages of mine are indeed relevant. And then the indexing will be done properly, which in turn will allow it to. So the users who are clicking on the keywords in that page, so is the content on your page related to the keywords for which it was created? And there are many other similar things. Let's know them. Now, so why on-page SEO is important for us? Let's know. Now the Google platform, it observes many things. Therefore, the things that are done in on-page SEO that ultimately decides that whether your page is really relevant or not to search result. Let's say that someone is searching on Google, Puma shoes for men. Now a user is searching. Is there any related keywords, URL and many other things or any related content on the page? So it observes all of these things. Okay, then whether there is a keyword or whether there is any query that has been made so far. And when the user who has been searching, that is the searcher or the same user who is currently interacting with your site. So did the user find that thing there in your page? Because he is spending time on it. Now the person clicks on the site, but they are going back as soon as they get there. The bounce rate is very high. Okay. So Google can understand that this site is not relevant for the search query. It will bring in websites where a person searches, finds the relevant page and then stops there. This is the reason why on-page SEO is extremely important. Because you can bring people to the website through on-page or any activity, but until the on-page is not correct, ranking of the page remains low. Let's move on and understand. Now this is the checklist. People who do SEO, they must keep these things in mind, whether it's you doing SEO or you are getting your SEO done by any company or anyone like a freelancer. These points are crucial in SEO under on-page SEO. So the first one is, first identify. Target keywords. So the website is built first. Afterwards, you need SEO. Now for SEO, the keyword list will be finalized. It could be as many keywords as we have. Now we understand. The pages, URLs or written content are not properly aligned with the target keywords, and there are many other such issues. Therefore, whenever you have already made a detailed planning in advance to build a website and do SEO and promotions, you should finalize your keywords first. How to search keywords? What are the things to keep in mind while searching for the keywords? You will learn all of these in this course, along with that if you have a website. So we will be also teaching you all how to do an on-page planning in it properly. Many people have websites that need change, so it's not essential to start over. We'll teach you how to improve your website. Optimize title tags. The title tags that are there on the upper side of website. Okay, so as you may already know that whenever we open any website on the Google Chrome, we see a bar at the top of the page here. As you know, the page has a title in common bold fonts. Suppose the title is Digital Marketing Agency in Delhi. If I have taken that as a keyword and put it in the title, then it will appear. Are the title tags based on your page properly optimized in relation of the content and target keywords? Write your headline in H1. So your main headline and main keywords should be targeted in H1 as well. Write a meta description. You should write a good meta description that will make people click and boost your search ranking. These are the things that will show you practically how to update it and explain the importance of these things. We'll tell you everything. Every page URL should be SEO friendly. How do you create an SEO friendly URL? What is it? We will explain everything now. Add your target keywords too. The page content from which you will be making a list of the keywords, that keyword you will be targeting on the page, and the related content you will write in it, will that be included in them? What are the keywords, how to use, and what about the density? We'll teach. Review the content quality. The quality of the content is important. Okay, you should definitely review the quality of the content. Okay. In addition, mark up all of the headings with header tags. Okay, so this is a technical part. If you want, you can take help from someone from your website department. Use internal linking to improve navigation, which will help users to stay longer on the website. Okay, and explore your pages or content as much as possible. To spend time. So internal linking is very important for that. In addition to that, also use visual content for a better engagement. So the content, right? It is not all about just a written text, okay? Google already knows enough text. But along with that, there are no related graphics, no infographics. If videos don't have all these things, then engagement won't come. The user will get bored and leave the page. Now apply schema markup. Image, alt text, anchor text. Now look, when we search something in Google, so many things pop up. You must have seen them. All images, videos, news, and several other sites pops up. So when you click on the image section from that Google page, so there is the images SEO. There is an image on a page. This image is related to SEO. So there should be the alt text or anchor text. So I'll give the name of that SEO. Google doesn't know this image. This is Hitesh Gupta's photo or not, I don't know. So when I give it a name like Hitesh Gupta, pic Hitesh Gupta picture, that becomes the text, right? That's how the image gets processed. Keep that in mind. Breadcrumb navigation is a feature that's found there directly on the page itself. It tells the user and as well as Google platform that which page of our website they are currently surfing on. All the pages, all the menus, wherever you are currently going through. So this is crucial from an SEO perspective. Websites should have a sharing option for social media platforms. A sitemap should be included within the website. There are many such factors that can affect your website directly. On-page SEO. It makes the website strong, efficient, SEO friendly, and helps to rank faster and higher eventually. I hope you understand the concept of on-page SEO. In the course, we'll learn about off-page SEO and how to practically apply the things you are learning and understanding. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you.